What's up, y'all, and welcome to another episode of All Things, the first one for part B of this season. I don't remember, I think this is season 4 of Campus Tours. I should have been recording this video, to be honest with you, but I've been procrastinating and don't mind what I got on, y'all. I literally was just like, let me make this video right now. Anyways, y'all, I hope y'all been enjoying UNC Charlotte. I did UNC Chapel Hill last time. Okay, so I hope y'all have been enjoying UNC Charlotte, and I'm just about to get into All Things. If you're new to the channel, welcome. All Things is pretty much where we just go ahead and break down the episode and just really get into the nitty-gritty of the school, requirements, sports, demographics, tuition, all that good stuff. So y'all, we ain't gonna waste no time, so let's go ahead and let's get rolling. All right, y'all, so first we're gonna talk about tuition. Now, tuition is a major topic when it comes to school, to be honest with you. Like, it is a determining factor for a lot of people. So for tuition for the 2025-2026 academic year at UNC Charlotte, for North Carolina residents, we're looking at a total of $26,860. And all of this is going to be from the UNC Charlotte website. So it is verified straight from the university themselves. If you are a non-resident of North Carolina, your total is going to be $43,726, and that is for 1 year, 2 semesters. Now that is a hefty price to pay for schooling. So we're gonna go right into scholarships, because scholarships truly helped me throughout college, and I hope they will help you too. Because honestly, y'all, times are hard, the economy is hard, life is challenging. So scholarships. So applying for admission does not automatically qualify you for scholarships at this school. After you have been admitted, you must apply in the Niner Scholarships portal for scholarship eligibility. So just make sure once you get approved, once you get accepted into the school, go onto their portal and see what scholarships they have to offer, and definitely apply, because student loans are real. They are no joke. Outside of UNC Charlotte, there are so many different platforms. Don't wait to get accepted into college to apply for scholarships. Go to scholarships.com, go to Scholly.com. Now they have actually changed it to Sally.com. So it is Scholly by Sally. It used to be Scholly when I was back in school. They changed this, I want to say 2024. So now it is Scholly by Sally, but they still offer those scholarships. So you want to go ahead and check it out. They have scholarships literally left-handed, right-handed, demographic, race, LGBTQ, all of that stuff. They have scholarships. So just go ahead, and you're just going to have to take the time to apply, y'all. Say, I'm going to do this. Take time out each day, apply for scholarships, y'all, because I'd rather you take the time now than having to wait until you graduate and now you got all this student debt because you didn't want to put in the work now. Put in the work now. Don't stress yourself out when you go to school trying to figure out how the heck I'm going to pay for school. Don't stress your parents out either. Do what you can do, and then let God do what he can do. My God. Oh, my God. Next, admission requirements. No, not yet. Also, another website that truly helped me when I was in college is the Congressional Black Caucus Foundation. Absolutely love them. They funded a lot of my, well, not a lot, but they gave me some money towards school. I think 2 or 3 years when I was back in college, and this was a few years ago. So I would definitely check them out. CBCF, they are an amazing foundation. Definitely check them out, y'all. Do them essays. It's worth it. All right, y'all, so we are going to move into the admission requirements section of our video. So applications can be submitted via the Future 49er portal or the Common App. Now, Common App, y'all, I highly recommend it. That's actually how I got into college. Applying for individual schools can be a lot. Common App is a common app. So how I did it is like, it's really one application that you send it off to different schools, so you don't have to apply individually. Worked for me. I loved it. And they say that there's a $75 application fee or an approved fee waiver. Fee waivers, talk to your guidance counselor. I got fee waivers. Y'all, there is money out there to be given away. Stop spending your money. Money is out there to be given away. They have stuff in place so that you do not have to come out of pocket. Talk to your guidance counselor. Put in the work. I'm trying to help y'all because it helped me. I have never in my life paid a fee to apply to school. Never. Don't do it because you don't get accepted. And guess what? You out $75. Talk to your guidance counselor. At the time, I think it's like if you have free lunch or something, or like your parents didn't make some, talk to your guidance counselor and see what they can do for you. That's what they're there for, to guide you, to help you. Talk to them. Whew. All right. So these are just some of the required application materials. Like I said, the $75 application fee. And then, you got to submit your high school transcript. Now, test scores are absolutely optional for fall 2025 applicants. So you don't have to, but test scores are optional for students with a weighted GPA of 2.8 or higher at the end of their junior year. So I'm assuming if you have anything lower than 2.8, you need them test scores because they need to see who am I accepting into my college. Yes, and then the good old essay. You got to submit one required essay. So those are the application requirements according to UNC Charlotte. Next, y'all, we have some sports here. Now, if you are athletic, if that's another way you can get scholarships, being an athlete. So these are different sports that they have. And I would highly recommend, if you are interested in an athletic scholarship, look it up. Maybe you can get a contact, or you just really got to do the work. Like, truly, you have to do the work. And this is, I'm not just telling you, I'm telling you from experience. I went to college 4 years. I became a resident assistant. Anything I could do, and I did not do resident assistant solely because I needed the free housing. I didn't need the free housing. I could live with my parents. But I wanted to live on campus. I wanted to experience campus life. But I also loved interacting with my residents. Like, I still have residents today that I'm friends with. So I didn't do it solely for that. But the free housing truly helped. Truly, truly, truly helped. So y'all definitely just... the resources are out there. It's up to you to put in the work, y'all. But yeah, so those are the sports. And I don't want to make this video too long, honestly. So Nightlife, they have some on-campus options. Student Union, that got the movie theater that y'all saw in the video. If you haven't checked out the video, definitely go ahead and check out the video. So I'm itching so much, y'all, simply because it's my beard. And when that's growing in, I don't got a full beard, but something is connecting. So yeah, so these are the on-campus options, y'all. And then we have also some off-campus options, all that good stuff. And these are going to be your fall and spring application deadlines. And if you're interested in demographics, these are the breakdowns. We have the male-female ratio. We have the racial ethnic demographics here at University of Charlotte, UNC University of North Carolina at Charlotte. Yeah, so that's everything, y'all. I just wanted to give y'all like a quick rundown. I don't want to bore y'all. So yeah, but that's what I got for y'all today. Literally, if y'all have any questions, definitely please feel free to leave a comment. Leave a comment anyway, y'all. I'm truly grateful. So now I can finally wrap up UNC Charlotte, put that out there, and move on to the next school. But yeah, y'all, so thank you so much for checking out yet another video. Please make sure you all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you miss any of the latest content. Until next time, y'all, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.